Hello guys, engine update on my BMW P23. So look at this. We have a little bit of carbon on top of the cylinders, but as you can see, everything inside the cylinder is fine. There's no scrappy, no chicky. Everything is good. So here is the head. I'm gonna remove now this guy, the intake, and the exhaust. I ended up cutting the exhaust because of these screws here. These screws here, they're not giving me like a good vibe. Not at all. So now it's time to take off the bed design, as I called in the last video. And this is a very big development because this is going to the machining shop. So they're gonna install new valves and everything else. And after that, this engine is gonna go to the other BMW over there.
It's Mr. Brown in the garage grinding, wrench in my hand, got the gears aligning. Mercedes dreams, but the BMW's king, E23 style. Let the old.
So here we are with the worst design ever. Some people say that the 240, the Z, the Nissan, has the worst intake to take off. I agree. I saw some videos and I totally agree. It was, yeah. But this one, oh, my gloves. So this one, for you to remove the intake, it's quite a hassle if it's inside the car. So I decided that I'm gonna take off the head. I cut the exhaust because I won't really need this exhaust. I will actually make a new one, especially because, well, I want some nice sound, a good pitch on the car. So let's dig into this intake. I already removed the bolts off camera because it was a very easy process when the car. Let me show you. So these are the bolts here, 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 like go all the way down. And then the ones in the exhaust, I removed almost all of them. This one actually, the whole thing came out. And there is this one here that doesn't want to come out. Actually, it's coming out with the whole thing. So there is another one that I need to cut up there. So as I can see, the head, I guess the head is good. There are no cracks. Yep, there are no cracks in the bolt. Like everything, like it looks great. I'm happy with this. I'm gonna take to the machine shop so they can work on this, get new steam valves, refurbish everything. So when I look, there's a lot of carbon here, like everything has carbon, a little bit of oil here. So I guess some oil was passing to this side. But then I look at the gasket and I didn't find a lot of like major problems in the gasket. So come with me. Here is the gasket. When I remove, the gasket didn't come out. I don't see major problems here. So this gasket was sitting very well. Let's try to take this off. Yep. It comes off as one piece, which means would you look at that? Normally I wouldn't change this, but I don't want problems in my life. But then I look at the overall and it looks great. No cratchy, no scratching on the cylinders. I just need to clean all this and install the new gasket. Make sure that everything here is fine. But this guy is coming off because it needs to go to the red BMW. As I told you guys, a closer look to the gasket. Well, it looks fine to me. I mean, this is a almost 30-year-old gasket, because I don't think it was 40-year-old gasket. And yeah, for whatever it is, it's good. So let's finish the removal of this guy here. It's coming off nicely. Oh, yeah.
Old school sing. I got the tools laid out. I'm ready to roll. Building my ride. That's how I sow. Mr. Brown, yeah, he's the king of the street. Dropping that knowledge while you take a seat. Cars in the shop, passion in each.
This is very satisfying. So here we have it. It's an old engine. We wouldn't expect this to be all shiny. Here is the big intake. I would use some. So here's the big intake. I would prefer to install some ITBs, but we don't have money for that. Remember, Mr. Brown, I work on budgets. So this is very satisfying for me. Just really need to remove this thing, make the head free, and send to the machine shop.
Riding with the legends, making true.
So here is everything. It seems for me very healthy. Nothing scary here. I need to remove this bolt here. I guess I'm gonna cut it. It's the only way I'm seeing right now, because I can't spin that out. So here it is. It's loose now. I had to cut this one. As you can see, it's short now. Now I have to remove. Where is this guy? Where is this guy? Oh yeah, there it is. This one. I have to remove this one. Woo! This is getting beautiful.
Yeah, rough and chrome.
I don't. I guess this is a breather. Oh, yeah! Don't you look at that? Okay. Now let's finish this. And this is one head, almost free. Just one thing.
Bringing it back, rebuilding rides, never lose track. Late nights spent with the engines, with every fix here the crowd go numb.
So, we made a trip. I arrived at the cylinder heads in Midrand. My good friend Justin is gonna receive us. Oh, fuck. He's gonna receive us, and yeah, and then I'm gonna send to him all the things that he needs to do. But for now, it's gonna be disassembling and all this stuff. Yeah, so let's have a talk to him. Here we are, Midland Cylinder Head Engineering. The head is here on the Mercedes right now. And if you guys need anything, you know who you have to contact. Is the guy right there. Justin, how are you? Good to see you, man. I brought you another problem.
Nothing. Offload, yeah.
So this is my friend Justin. He did the Mercedes heads last time. Good job. If you guys need anything, this is the guy. I'm gonna put these details on the link below. You can contact Midran Cylinder Heads Engineering. They are the best. Precision, all good. Thanks, Justin.
Don't forget price.
I won't put price. You.
BMW.
Yeah.
What was wrong with this one?
Nothing, as you can see. So it's done. It's delivered. So now, it seems like everything is going well. If I did not have the delay with the how can I say, with the parts, it will be ready this week. But yeah, can only be next week. I hope so. And guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. It means a lot to me, working on this project with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On the next episode, we're gonna tackle the rest of the engine. It needs to come off. We need to, yeah. Hope is, I'm telling you, I never done this on a BMW before. It's my first time, and I'm sharing with you my experience. I'll see you next time. Tamo juntos.